Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating E71 error code on your Electrolux washer from 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues with the door lock mechanism or the motor drive, and today, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix it yourself. Let's dive in and get your washer spinning again. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the power outlet before starting any troubleshooting. This prevents any electrical mishaps and keeps you safe. Now, the E71 error typically means the washer thinks the door isn't locked properly or there's a problem with the control board. Common causes include a faulty door switch, loose wiring, or even something as simple as debris blocking the door latch. Step 1. Inspect the door. Open and close it a few times to see if it's sticking or not latching correctly. Wipe away any dirt or lint around the door seal. If that doesn't work, grab a flashlight and check for any visible damage to the latch or switch. Next, try resetting the washer. Unplug it for at least 1 minute, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, you might need to access the inside. Carefully remove the top panel, consult your user manual for your specific model, and look for loose wires connected to the door lock assembly. Secure any that are loose, but if you're not comfortable with this, stop here. If none of these steps fix the issue, it could be a more serious problem like a defective control board or motor. In that case, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. Simple fixes for the E71 error on your Electrolux washer. I hope this saves you time and money. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.